And this is taking a rooster out for a pee-pee. Aw, little baby. Watching the football game. New Orleans Saints and Green Bay Packers. Taking puppy out for a pee-pee. It's a little dark. Wanna go pee-pees? Wanna go pee-pee, baby? Come on. Come on. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee, monkey. Go on. Go pee-pee. It's real funny when it comes to her pee-pees. She's got to do it special, a certain way. Go on. Go for a pee-pee, baby. Go on. She's got to sniff. She sniffed something. Uh-oh. What's she sniffing? What you got, Rooster? What you got, baby? What you got? She could have a skunk or a raccoon or a rabbit. Or any other native animals. Okay, Roo, go on. Go pee-pee, baby. Oh, she's sniffing the growth in the sidewalk there. Good for you, girl. Good. Come on. Well, we're tearing up her sidewalk soon. Come on, baby. Go pee. Come on, you gotta go pee-pees. Yeah. Come on, you want it out. You want it out for a pee-pee. Oh, this camera work is atrocious. Oh, looks like she wants to go for a ride in the PT Cruiser. Look at that, eh? Fine Mopar muscle. Go on, baby. Come on, go pee-pees. No. Come on, you gonna go do a pee-pee? You gonna do a pee-pees? Yeah. There you go. Do a pee-pee. Don't do a poo-poo because I don't know if I have bags. There's a good pee-pee. Yeah, eh? Good baby. Baby pee-pees. Yeah, she's a baby. Oh, she's got another sniff. No, it might be a dead rabbit. I think it is, actually. No, it's been cleaned up. Come on. Alright, so that's basically how to take Rooster for a pee-pee. And she's sniffing again. Just out clearing her bladder, clearing my mind, and I'll talk to you a little bit later.